my channel. It's your girl Verlaine.
And her daughter Shantae.
And on today's show, I'm going to show you guys how I make my chicken wings. And I'm going to show you step by step how to cut them up and to season them and put my famous dressing on them that I use, which is one will be the jerk chicken and the other one will be the buffalo chicken. So stay tuned, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below to this video. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, all you need is a family pack of chicken wings from Kroger's or Walmart, and you'll open them up. And you're going to clean them really well. And as you're cleaning them, you're going to cut them in half. And I'm going to show you how you can do that with a knife. I don't know if you guys can see that. Through the middle. Boy, this is a tough one. Usually they just cut right through, but you hold it down like that. See? And it cuts it and makes two. And then you're going to place them on your chopping board and you're going to cut that tip off. So now you have a flat and a wingette. Sorry about technical difficulties, guys. But like I said, you cut all them up like that. I'll do that again on the easy one. Like that. Over here on the chopping board, and you cut the tip off. Then that gives you your drumstick and your flat. So you'll do all those throws away. You'll do all those like that until you get all of them like this in one bowl, and then you put your seasoning on them. And you bring them over here to your flour also with the seasoning in it. And you're going to put them in the flour that's already seasoned. And then you're going to put them into the deep fryer. And I have two sauces that I'm using today. We have the buffalo sauce and the jerk chicken sauce. And then we'll just have some regular wings for people who don't want the sauce at all. You want to try some, Shantae? But it's easy, guys, to make your own wingers instead of buying those bags of wings. You can make your own wingers. Put them on top of each other. Stop dropping them down. Alright guys, they're all done and golden brown. This is how you want them to look. I'm going to go ahead and put the first sauce on these first 15 and show you how I do those. I'm going to use the Caribbean. Let's see if this will focus. But it's the Caribbean jerk sauce. And then I'm going to pour it in the bowl. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your chicken. Shake your chicken, yeah. Yeah, I'll have it. You want them to be coated like this. I'm probably worse than that. Stop it. Alright guys, they're all done. Don't they look yummy? Well, thank you guys for watching my channel today, and I hope you learned about how to make homemade chicken wings for any event or just for dinner. It doesn't matter. However you want to make them, you don't have to go out and order them. You can make them yourself and they'll look just as good. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below to this video. And until next time, see you later, guys.